Okay, so this video is for Vanberg HVAC, and this is going to be a video on my 2007 Frigidaire 5200 BTU here in my bedroom. And the Frigidaire casement units that I mentioned in my comment were in my old neighborhood, and they are long gone. I haven't seen them in a few years. There's an old Quiet Master though. But there are a few units in my neighborhood that I'm gonna get a video of tomorrow. But this is just gonna be a video of my 07 Electrolux Frigidaire 5200 BTU. Made in November 2007, you can see right there. Made in China. Now the story with this unit is I was gonna get a GE 5050. That's $159 at Lowe's or whatever, or BJ's. I think BJ's only sells Frigidaires. But my neighbor switched to ductless units, and they had this sitting in the basement, so my grandpa put it in, and it's been working fine ever since. I've had it for, sorry about the rattling. This thing rattles a lot and it drives me absolutely crazy. I've had it for about 2.5 months now. We put it in June 11th. So yeah, just about 2.5 months, I think. Or 1.5 months. Not too sure. It's been in since June 11th and it's been working fine ever since. This thing blows fucking ice cubes. Sorry about my language, but this is medium cool, and I keep it on 66, as you can see. Go ahead and put it on high cool. This is high cool. This thing's blowing out fucking ice cubes, man, let me tell you. Get my wind tester. This is a napkin. Not a napkin, a tissue. Sorry. Sorry about the flash turning off. My phone's on 15%, so I have to make this quick. But yeah, let me show you the control panel. Actually, yeah. So here's the vents. Actually, let me show you that real quick. So the vents go up like that, and they don't. The vents on this particular model don't go down. I don't know why. They only stay like straight out like this. They can't go down, like face towards the ground. I don't know why. They only go up. It's kind of annoying. But let me show you the control panel here with the remote. Oh, hit the wrong button to put it down on medium cool. Let's go ahead and bring it down. So this unit goes down to 60. Let's go ahead and bring it back up. I usually keep it on medium cool at 66. I'm gonna put it on the timer. This thing goes all the way up to 24 minutes. And it goes down to 0.5. Now I think that's seconds or minutes, I'm not too sure on that, but it's got sleep mode, and it's also got the clean air filter, which I don't really use either of these two buttons, the clean air or sleep mode. It's got the check filter light, so night. Sorry about that. I'll show you the filter ports. My fucking, there we go. I'll take off the panel for you. There we are. Told you this thing rattles like fucking absolute shit. Here is the filter for the unit, as you can see. And in typical Frigidaire fashion, the top is always warm and the bottom is always cold. But the top is cold because it's been running for a few hours now. Turned it on around 6 p.m. I think. Yeah, I think I turned it on around 6 p.m. What time is it? Right now we're yeah, it's around 8:11. It's 8:11 p.m. right now. Turned it on around 6. So it's been running for a few hours now. And the compressor just kicked off. This unit, I don't know what fan motor this unit has, because it didn't really say on the spec sheet. But this unit has a Highly by Hitachi rotary compressor. The same compressor that the 06 Amana has in the other room. Just saw you comment on. Thanks for that, by the way. So now, let's go ahead, sorry about the wind noise, and bring it up. This thing goes all the way up to 90. Back down to 66. It's like that episode in Family Guy. This thing goes up to 90. So yeah, there's my 2007 Frigidaire 5200 BTU window air conditioner and all of its early 2000s plastic glory. And this is an R22 unit, by the way. And it's got, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got 93, it's got 10.93 ounces of R22. So yeah, there's the data plate if you want to read it. So yeah. Tomorrow I will do a video of some central air conditioners that are in my neighborhood. And about the Frigidaire casements. I haven't seen a lot of them. Now, a few of them were in my old neighborhood. And I think there might be one around here, but I'm not too sure. I gotta go looking for it. But there's a few Quiet Masters around here and shit that I'll get a video of. I remember around the block from me in my old neighborhood, there was this house that had not a window like this, but it had a regular like living room window that kind of went like out like that, and there was a big window here, then another window that came out like that. It was in the living room, I know that for a fact. And it was this very old, I want to say it was from either the 70s or the 80s. It looked like a WCI unit that was in the outer window. I don't even know how they put it in there. Oh, there's your compressor startup. If you want to see the outside of this unit, or an outside video of this air conditioner, there is an air conditioner there. A video up on my channel. It's my most recent. Below this video. It's the 07 Frigidaire running at night, I believe it's called. It's like a 30-second video, but I I will do a video, a more detailed video of the outer case of this unit, because as you can see, we have the scripted Frigidaire badge, and on the other side of the unit we have the bold Frigidaire badge, which I kind of think is ridiculous to put two separate logos on a unit, but it's whatever. That's how you can tell it's a newer model. I think that's how you can tell it's a newer model, Frigidaire. Got the bold logo, it's newer. The scripted logo, it's older. This style ran from 2003 to 2008, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong on that. Don't mind my plush toy. I got this yesterday at the arcade with one of my friends. But yeah, there it is on my 2007 video, my 2007 Frigidaire. Now I'm gonna do a video tomorrow. It might be a little late, but sorry about that. It might be a little bit late, the video tomorrow. I'm gonna see if I can do a video of the central air conditioners around here, because there is quite a few that I've been wanting to film for quite a while. So yeah.